Hi friends, welcome to Shockwave Official. Today topic: 23 ways to achieve longevity and feel younger. Discover how can every one of us deal with become better, feel more youthful, perk up and battle the indications of maturing to delay dynamic full life. The world's thriving specialists who study the issues of against maturing and lifespan have arranged some valuable tips. How to remain youthful and live more. What can every one of us become better, feel more youthful, live state of mind and eventually delay dynamic full life. The world's thriving specialists in enemy of maturing, researchers gerontologists who study the hereditary qualities of maturing and lifespan have arranged 23 hints. How to begin another life to drag out youth. 1. We should begin with food. Researchers remind, various examinations show that food and diet are one of the principal techniques accessible to change the speed of maturing and lifespan. The initial step should diminish their eating routine by 25% by lessening eating parcels. This technique for managing maturing called caloric restriction. In any case, less doesn't mean more awful. It is imperative to screen the equilibrium of supplements to get the vital measure of fundamental amino acids and unsaturated fats, nutrients and minerals. Luckily, this can be accomplished by eating enough accessible and less expensive items, incorporating filth in their own nursery on the off chance that you have one. 2. Keep away from items containing trans fats, with the expansion of an overabundance of fructose and salt. Lamentably, here and there the marking guidelines in certain nations don't need an option to determine trans fats in items, so specialists exhort zeroing in on names like hydrogenated fats, margarine, cooking oil. Frequently, trans fats are found in different spreads and the margarine for sandwiches. 3. Stay away from singed food sources. Utilize other comparable cooking strategies, a considerable lot of them, like heating, stewing, air barbecue, two-fold heater and others. 4. Stay away from sweet beverages and juices, cheap food and eatery food. 5. Consistently eat at any rate 500 grams of vegetables, barring potatoes, mixed greens, parsley salad. For dessert, the best fit isn't sweet organic products. They contain organically dynamic substances, nutrients, minerals and dietary fiber. The last is the assurance of good absorption and the strength of the intestinal microflora. Simultaneously, be careful with overabundance fructose since it incites metabolic disorder. 6. 3 times each week attempt to eat greasy fish, nuts, seeds, pumpkin, sesame and cloth olive and flaxseed oil, mushrooms, dull chocolate, fish. Topping with a high glycemic record, white rice, pureed potatoes or seared potatoes to supplant the more helpful buckwheat, made of durum wheat, entire grain cereals and vegetables. 7. Attempt to eat most food varieties that contain nutrients. B6, beans, pecan, buckthorn, meat liver. B12, cod, carp, roast meat. K, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers. D3, fish oil, cod liver oil, egg yolk. Folic corrosive, broccoli, spinach, citrus natural products. Omega-3, herring, mackerel, flaxseed oil, pecans. Calcium, cheddar, dairy items. Magnesium, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, buckwheat, oats, pecans. Zinc, buckwheat, beans, peas, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, peanuts. Selenium, Brazil nuts, garlic, mushrooms, corn. Iodine, kelp, cod liver oil, pollock roast. It is these substances that have the best enemy of maturing impact as demonstrated by considers. 8. In the event that there are challenges with the utilization of such items, contrasigns, troubles with the buy and so on, experts concede the utilization of multivitamin supplements. In any case, the mentality to nutrients from drugstores in most of specialists in enemy of maturing is exceptionally wary. Such nutrient enhancements are suggested if all else fails, just on the off chance that you cannot get your nutrients from food. It ought to be recalled that an overabundance of nutrients and minerals are not less hurtful than the absence of them, underscore the researchers. Food, even plentiful in nutrients, is probably not going to make an abundance of nutrients and minerals in the body. However, with dietary enhancements, that is, truth be told, a concentrate of nutrients, the danger of getting an overabundance of nutrients is a lot higher. In a perfect world, it is attractive to occasionally complete exploration to discover what nutrients are processed in the body, and furthermore, it is important to do an examination to decide the degree of fundamental micronutrients in the blood plasma. The analysts note. 9. Intermittently check your weight, glucose, fatty oils, and cholesterol in the blood. 10. Intermittently drink green or dark tea, or up to 3 cups of dark espresso daily, without contraindications, decreases absolute mortality and forestalls the illness of specific tumors. 11. Occasionally mastermind the fasting days. Researchers from the University of Southern California in Los Angeles prescribed 5 times each month to diminish the calorie day-by-day admission by half. This will lessen the probability of issues with digestion. 12. The main controller of the pace of maturing and future is a night's rest. Attempt to keep up the consistency of circadian rhythms, scientists suggest. Generally helpful to hit the hay before 12 p.m., when the most extreme pinnacle creation of melatonin, rest chemical, under the state of complete obscurity. Most examinations have shown that the ideal is to rest for in any event 7.5 hours of the day. It is attractive to have a muscular cushion. In this way, a superior rest as an afterthought as opposed to the back. Since practically we all live under solid light contamination, street lamps, lights in the windows of neighbors enlighten promoting, should close the windows with thick drapes around evening time to rest in obscurity. Scholastics. Do whatever it takes not to sit at the TV, the PC. Don't utilize tablets and cell phones at any rate 30 minutes before sleep time. Fake light from the screen device postpones the beginning of melatonin creation. Mood killer electrical machines around evening time in the room, so the light diode lights don't occupy you. 13. Another veil of lifespan, the development and exercise, which truly help feel more youthful. Give yourself moderate cardio and normal weight preparing, walk more. Focus on around 10,000 stages every day, prompt researchers. This will stay away from issues with venous surge in the legs, keep a sound weight. To expand the affectability of muscle cells to insulin, expanded this affectability is the main methods for forestalling diabetes, corpulence, and different issues. For the individuals who have an ongoing sickness, make certain to talk with your primary care physician about the power of the heap. 14. Give yourself a customary mental responsibility. Speak with your companions, follow the everyday news, settle complex mental assignments, play crossword puzzles, learn unknown dialects and new strings. This will hinder the weakening of psychological, mental work. 15. Attempt to look great. It gives certainty and inclination that you do as old as you look. Studies have shown that such inclination animates the neuroendocrine guideline of the cycles of life and hinders maturing. 16. Greatest to stay away from colds and different diseases. Dysbacteriosis. Keep away from wellsprings of hypersensitivities. Try not to run such infections. Opportune treat colds and stay away from complexities. You ought to consistently to immunized. Significant. The less your body is encountering an excruciating aggravation, the more slow the maturing interaction. 17. Consistently travel, picnics in nature. Go on outings to different urban areas. Strolls in the outside. Keep away from burdensome contemplations and fractiousness, figure out how to deal with your pressure. Delayed or extreme pressure speeds up maturing. 18. Moderate and transient pressure unexpectedly have an animating impact, stir the body's own guts. As indicated by this rule works warm treating reinforcing your body from within. A comparable impact on the body has an exacting eating routine, extreme actual exercise and reflection. The beneficial outcome of moderate pressure you will encounter just in the event that you give your body sufficient opportunity to recuperate between openings. 19. Notice the equilibrium of time spent in the sun. From one viewpoint, openness to the sun adds to the improvement of the important dynamic type of nutrient D3. On the other, an abundance of the sun causes photoaging of the skin and the individual starts to look more established than his years. In bright climate, wear a cap and shades. Dispose of the solarium. 20. At long last, discover the solidarity to surrender negative routines. Stopping smoking is fit for adding around 9 years of life, the dismissal of liquor misuse 8 years. 21. Watch out for side effects old enough related illness event, cardiovascular, diabetes, osteoporosis, various sorts of malignancy and others. Go through occasional clinical assessments and get guidance from a subject matter expert. Don't disregard the clinical assessment. 22. Try not to utilize steroids except if totally important. Counsel about the prescription with your primary care physician. 23. Attempt to control at any rate the most available biomarkers of maturing. During the standard clinical assessments ought to be the condition of the mass of the carotid coarse solidness of vein dividers, homocysteine levels, and glycated hemoglobin in the blood, managing the digestion of chemicals, IGF-1, leptin, and cortisol. Deviations of these pointers show sped up maturing. On the off chance that you follow these proposals, you are astonished to see how might improve your well-being and prosperity. You will feel more youthful as indicated by the researchers who inspect the strategies for hostile to maturing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and support.